Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by granting permissions so Ghibli Photo can access camera and your photos. This prevents interruptions later. Next, import your images, select single shots or multiple files, up to the app limit, and place them in a new album to stay organized. Once imported, pick the correct aspect ratio like 16:9 or square so framing and presets work predictably. This first step sets everything else up. Accurate aspect and permissions make filters, stabilization, and export behave the way you expect. Now you apply the signature Ghibli look. Pick a preset Studio for bold colors, soft for pastel tones, or grainy for texture. Then adjust strength between 0 and 100% to balance realism versus stylization. Once done, fine-tune exposure, contrast, and white balance so skin tones and skies read naturally. If parts need selective treatment, use the brush mask to paint the effect onto specific areas. This keeps faces sharp while softening backgrounds. Make sure to preview at full size before moving on. Finish by choosing export format and resolution. JPG for widest compatibility, PNG for transparency, hike for smaller files, and tap export or save copy so originals remain intact. Once exported, share directly to social apps or save to cloud storage for backups. If the app crashes or effects disappear, clear the cache, restart the app, and retry the same image. If issues persist, reinstall the app to reset corrupted resources. Follow these steps, and you'll consistently produce polished, Ghibli-style photos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.